What's wrong with you, brother?
I cannot find love in my marriage. I and my wife always keep fighting in our relation. I don't know why. What's wrong with us?
So you want to find love back?
Yeah, sure. But I don't know.
I give you the recipe to find love back in marriage.
3 recipe of love in relationship: Sakinah, Mawaddah, and Rahmah. Sakinah. What is Sakinah? Sakinah is tranquility. It means a sense of peace and emotional stability. And how do we get it? By remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and remembering each other about Allah. Why? Because Allah is the one who owns the peace, and He is the one who will give us the peace.
Mawaddah goes beyond love between the husband and the wife. It is affection that flows through the entire family. Children, parents, in-laws, even the surrounding community. Mawaddah can be strengthened by gratitude when we choose to be thankful in every situation rather than focusing on what is missing.
And finally, Rahmah. Mercy appears when Sakinah and Mawaddah are really present. It shows itself through patience, forgiveness, and compassion, especially during moments of weakness. This is the recipe of love in Islam. Tawheed brings Sakinah. Sakinah nurtures Mahabbah, and gratitude grows Mawaddah. And together, they give birth to Rahmah. A marriage built upon Allah will always be surrounded by His mercy.
بشر تنتشرون ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون ومن آياته خلق